Hello everybody, so this morning we are leaving Mahan's Auto Salvage and going to Rockwood, Tennessee. We're in Cookeville, Tennessee. We're going to go to Rockwood, Tennessee and pick up an old Ford Wrecker that I have bought. It is the 67 through 72 body style. I'm really not even sure what exact year model it is until we get there, but I do know that it's a 67 through 72 body style. We're going to go up there and get it, bring it back here, and I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. I'm probably going to try to get it back together and running. A friend of mine used to have it. He has passed away. Another guy ended up with it, and I have now got it from him. So we're going to hop in this rollback right here. Got my grandson Kendon with me. Is it going to be a sensational trip?
It's going to be sensational.
It's going to be sensational, he said. That's right, folks. So let's hop in the rollback, go up to Rockwood, Tennessee, pick this wrecker up, get her back here, and let's see what we got. All right, guys, there it is. We've made it to Rockwood, Tennessee. It is a 1970. Pretty decent looking old truck. It would make a nice cooter wrecker from the Dukes of Hazzard there, Hazzard County garage. Sticker's already on it. Pretty solid looking old truck. Take a view of the inside here. Yes, I love it. I love it. This is sensational. Sensational. Give you a view of it all the way around here before we load it up. Got a pretty nice size winch on it. This thing should pull anything it's hooked to. Might have to tie the truck off to a tree. I've had to do that before on some of my old wreckers. But I just love it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it just yet. I don't know if I'm going to fix it to use it around the yard, or if I want to just go ahead and make a cooter tow truck out of it, or exactly what I'm going to do just yet. But it is mine. It is coming back to Mahan's Auto Salvage. Kendon found him a go-kart over there he's looking at. Let's pop the hood on this thing. It has either a 360 or a 390 in it. Two barrel, power brakes, power steering, and they have had it started and running off of this jug here. This line goes down to the fuel pump, so they have had it running off the jug. Said it was a good engine, transmission, good running gear. I love it. I can't say that enough. I love it. Still has a battery in it. Let's go ahead and get this thing loaded on the rollback here. Got Kendon pulling the cable out here. We got her cable hooked to it, pop her in neutral. Got her in neutral. Should stay this way. I even brought Grammy along for the trip. Can't go on a trip without Grammy.
Somebody's got to get her done.
He said somebody's got to get her done, folks. He must be talking about me. I believe this one's going to fit right in there. Now turn her over that way a little bit. Get her pulled on the phone here. All right. I'm going to go ahead and flip this boom up just so it's not sticking out this far behind the truck. Now that's got a chain on her cradle. Got it holding up so it's not sticking out so far behind the truck. Go ahead and get our J-hooks on the back here. All right, folks, there we are, loaded up. I love it. I can't say it enough. I just love it. I love it. We're going to haul this thing back to Mayhan's Auto Salvage, guys. If y'all like this kind of content, please go to my channel. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Ring that notification bell. Hope everybody's having a sensational day.